Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create subtitles or captions in Adobe Premiere Pro in the latest update. So let's get started. So here we are in Adobe Premiere Pro and we're going to add subtitles into this one. As you can see, I don't have any audio, but it's fine since I'm just showing you how to create subtitles and captions. So to do that, you simply need to go into the graphics and captions. So let's find the captions right here, so you can see it right here in your workspaces right here, and you can go for captions and graphics right here. Click on it, and now we're here in this workspace, and we're gonna click here on captions, and from here you can create a new caption track if you want it to do manually. But right now, with the latest update of Premiere, you can now have automatic transcriptions, create transcription right here, and it will be automatic. But if you want to create your own, then we can go click here. If you want to learn how to create automatic captions, then you can find that video in my channel. But in this video, we'll be using this manual transcription. So click here and create new caption track. And then from here, we're going to go for a subtitle right here. Or if you want to use other ones, then you can also do that. But in this case, we'll just be using with subtitle. And the style is none. Click OK. And after that, we're here now in the captions. As you can see, it's empty. You need to add a new caption first. So let's say your dialogue starts at this point. So I'm going to drag the playhead at this point right here. And click the add new caption. As you can see, you now have the new caption right here. And we can add... maybe this is how you add, and maybe the duration of this is about this long right here. So we're gonna trim this and drag this right here so that this would be the duration, just like that. And then if you want to create a new one again, if another dialogue occurs, then you can click on new caption after placing your playhead and your new captions. Maybe like this. Let's just type it out just like that. And maybe we want it to be like this. It's connected and we want it about this long right here, maybe just like that. And this is how you add your new captions, as you can see, just like that. And all you have to do now is that match it with your audio and so on. And you can also change the styles right here. So for example, I'm going to change this one for this clip. By the way, when you click on your captions right here, it would automatically readjust your playhead. So that would be a handful knowledge to know. And now let's discuss right here. So you have your text. You can change your font right here. For example, we'll be changing this into this one, into bold. And as you can see, the second one is not yet bold right here. And we can add this later to the remaining clips right here, to the other clips, without manually editing each of your captions right here. So we'll show that in a minute. And after this, we're going to go into align and transform. So you can actually click on the squares and where you want your caption to be put. So usually it's here at the bottom center. And from here, you can edit your text however you want to do it, fill, stroke, and so on. I guess that is pretty basic. And after that, after you have edited it and you want it to apply to the rest of your captions, it's very simple. All you have to do basically is to apply it is you want to go here and push the track or style right there, all captions on track. And as you can see, now all your captions, as you can see, this one, the second one, is already in the same format as you have edited the first one. And yeah, that is basically how you edit your captions and make your captions right here in Premiere Pro 2023. So now let's move on to the export, on how you can export your captions. So all you have to do is go into File. Once you're done with your captions, go to Export, Media, and then from here you want to make sure that your captions option right here is turned on. And if you want to export it and you want it to appear in video, you want to click here on Burn Captions to Video. But if you want to separate it from the video, then you can go create a sidecar file so that you would have a file of your captions. And if you don't want it, go for none or turn off your captions. And yeah, just like that, you can now create your captions in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.